Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to enable microphone on Samsung keyboard. So look here, showing it to my microphone, and I'm easily use voice typing. So some device has missing and provide how can easily add. So open settings, scroll down, then voice input, or the another way, open your main settings. Open your main settings, scroll down, click on to general management, scroll down, click on Samsung keyboard settings, scroll down, then you get voice input. Just press on and select no to, and select to a Samsung voice input or Google voice typing. Select anyone as you can like I'm select Samsung voice input. Okay, and I'm easily use this. Press on hello, 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 hello. So that's it.